existence, where time is fleeting and demands are ceaseless, we find ourselves ensnared in a relentless struggle, a battle against the erosion of our vitality, waged in the trenches of convenience and indulgence. Yet amidst the chaos, there exists a beacon of hope, a sanctuary of sustenance that beckons us to reclaim our sovereignty over what we consume. The art of meal preparation. In the annals of time, echoes resonate of those who understood the profound significance of nourishment. From the Stoic philosophers who revered the temple of the body to the sage healers who extolled the virtues of wholesome sustenance, their wisdom reverberates through the ages, urging us to heed the call of our inner fortitude. Behold, fellow voyagers, on this journey of self-discovery, as we embark upon a quest to unlock the secrets of good eating, 5 sacred meal prep ideas that shall serve as our compass, guiding us towards the shores of vitality and vigor. Quinoa salad. In the verdant fields of ancient civilizations, quinoa reigned supreme as the sacred grain of vitality. Let us honor its legacy by crafting a quinoa salad, adorned with vibrant vegetables and drizzled with the elixir of olive oil. With each forkful, we partake in the communion of nourishment, fortifying our bodies against the onslaught of modernity. Buddha bowl. As we gaze upon the symphony of colors and textures that adorn the Buddha bowl, let us embrace the harmony of balance. With grains as our foundation, we layer upon it the bounty of nature's harvest, crisp greens, roasted vegetables, and protein-rich legumes. In this culinary masterpiece, we find equilibrium, nourishing both body and soul. Stir fry. In the crucible of the wok, where flames dance and aromas intertwine, we witness the alchemy of transformation. Let us stir fry a medley of vegetables and lean protein, infusing each morsel with the essence of herbs and spices. With every sizzle and stir, we orchestrate a symphony of flavors that tantalize the senses and invigorate the spirit. Stuffed bell peppers. As we honor the traditions of our ancestors, let us pay homage to the humble bell pepper, a vessel for culinary creativity and cultural heritage. Let us stuff its tender flesh with a medley of grains, beans, and savory spices, weaving a tapestry of flavors that transcends time and space. In this union of past and present, we forge a connection to our roots and nourish our souls with the richness of tradition. Overnight oats. As the night surrenders to the dawn, let us awaken to the blissful embrace of overnight oats, a symphony of simplicity and satisfaction. In a jar, we combine oats, milk, and a myriad of toppings, allowing the alchemy of time to work its magic. With each spoonful, we revel in the decadence of indulgence, savoring the moment with every creamy bite. In the crucible of choice, let us embrace the power of intention and reclaim dominion over our nourishment. For in the art of meal preparation lies the key to transcending the shackles of convenience and indulgence and unlocking the boundless potential that resides within. Together, let us embark upon this odyssey of self-discovery, guided by the wisdom of the ages and fueled by the fortitude of our collective resolve. As we stand upon the precipice of transformation, let us heed the call of our inner philosopher and embrace the sacred ritual of good eating. For in the crucible of choice we forge our destiny, and in the communion of body and soul, we find the sustenance to transcend the limitations of our mortal coil. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.